Rigoro, Mako, Rigoro, Lorugia. I chose a fit rigor. Oh, I will give you. You want to try me? You want to try my energy? Oh, I can't remember video. Oh, I can't video. I want to hear my video. Edge the phone. I check a phone. Get down. Edge the phone. So, Njirotaka, edge degi. Naya gani Joe. Eba chenuza. Makayebe to never before. Uza in a hope who can connect it to our house. I will not connect it home. So I got almost 1 hour plus now to go home. I ain't gonna go far. So Madison no call for your phone. See how they can try to go back. What you gonna move? The best. I couldn't have it. If Malanga on a normal. On a normal, I can carry your weight. What the guy? You man estimate wine. You man estimate wine. God, so you need to take permission from you before you say photo. Huh? For I may post it on Facebook. I'm not going to get permission now. I mean, I'm on Facebook. I'm actually posting for myself. I may post it. Wait now. Do you feel bad about the organizer? So what is there? I just want to post it there. At least this walk, I like it. It's not something I name often, and I take a walk this far. So I take you go to walk. I take on our carry east way from our house to eatery there by Madonna's na Max City. So we really don't used to go. We really don't used to walk and go out. We don't walk out for hours like this. So I really love this time I'm spending with you outside children. With you, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to even Donanji telephone, but I'm talking to you. That I enjoy this moment and I look forward to it. Those days those days and as well, this environment, to be honest, I have this neighborhood and it's a very cool, beautiful place. I like it. So maybe next time we'll just come out and stroll with the kids. So this water in our now making a service the whole of this our area. So it's beautiful that I got this side. Waterworks. No waterworks. So this water I have now we are service our place, the whole area. Oh, life is good. So, much of me stream live my phone, you know. Over here, this area last night. In fact, early in the morning. Mother had got it at more. So knowing that we did not sleep early. I am almost 6. So almost immediately I na watch a movie. So the time I didn't go mother kind of jumped at the bed. Boy, immediately I jump, immediately I kind of know that sound. So I even thought in Gemma or hit an element, but that wasn't the case. That's no hit where see I know not the thunder because it didn't really sound well. So yeah, when me pay cutting mirror na his and the window our window so that sound I know enough because I know I watch TV. Nobody is in the room now. So I'm not like in my window got fresh air. But okay, why not put it everywhere? They very chilled. So I didn't call. Within 20-30 minutes, I am not doorbell. Mother, Koga Maria, no, but I warned the police. So, I joy him. Hey, Chideko deserved.
Other concave.
I can't see you. Na kwenu muno ofufu. Na kwenu muno ofufu. Hey, feel that moka. So, I went to the police. I said, how do I and arrest any sound? Mother said that we had a sound. Do Oji. Onye Igbo. Mokunubi. So, I will onye Oji. So, how do you onye biari ako hajabo? What's how divide room? Okay. So, I will onye Oji. Hasn't had your drum to move sound. I know. Mother said that we had a sound. So I said, Hannah garden at the neighborhood to check on people to know if we feel safe, if we are fine. We are fine now. So they collected some personal information, telephone number, and his yeah, personal details. So hey, where are poor in the morning? Again, na kwado almost school. Okay, so my go had that na I know sound. Now this our area, Naban, and the police came here. Okay, now who? End zone. I'll go way back, I see. Let's just be going. I put up a neighbor high see who that here. The man I got shot as a windows. Honest, look on a first come off. Hey, look on a first come off. I think neighbor, we are in the right place.
Oh, yeah.
I walk here, no be small. So, mother seen yeah, been myself. Ngo Mazia na ino sound na in the morning, and because of that sound, and the police better. So kahadekwa aware at least, and I'm glad I gave them that piece of information. It's kind of casual information. Again, go Mazia need to for, but I just gave it to them casually. So we have been indoors since morning. Mother had a roar on Monday. Me, I'm sick. I'm home. Was another school. Saying that sound that hanging or no way we cabara mad. Even Chukwabakasina tupu Maka Chokasina before Yawa Apo. Because and the police that he has to sign out. That he has to sign his name. Look at my little boy, and I make her very sensitive. I am a cocky sinner. So I had to congratulate that I'm going to have that piece of information because I would not have that thing and the police. No. Okay, but now we can see a sign your name. He might kind of feel somehow for them mother. So before he left the street, he has to sign his name. And the thing, due to where the sound happened, is as if very close to our window. We had it loud and clear, and we were awake. So, Uma's Anastasia said, "No, Madakabara, Ebe." Nah, yeah, now 3 times now. Though, okay. Who came very closer to us, like this particular one. This particular one very too close. Unlike then cause name way outside. Oh, it's quite unfortunate. Yeah, I think we're on the right place. I got free. But can't build the na the Gini call. Stoga didn't car. I knew my mother and her opinion. You have handled Stoga and mother opinion. Because that time I got a Swedish village. Ever I know was Stoga call. What was Stoga? In war or something like that. That my old colleague is again na kosa akoko. Owen no summer stuga. So and summer the woman be na school. Summer stuga ya the kwanso na school. Emi ho na eme oro mgbe I ga-akpọ maka o nwere mmiri ịtụtụ na mgbada me na aga that 30 reso. So ọrụ mgbe anyị ga-akpọ ụmụazị pụapụ ọ sị ka anyị gawa na mmiri ahụ adịba ka stoga ya ebe ahụ ka stoga ya ahụ nọ. So she always make us to go out in that side that has stoga now. It's a very beautiful small hut, Man, they are a little close now. Miri. So, this is nature. This is beautiful. No more than 100 nakani. Neke sita e chose on it. Oh, why can this September? That first road. I can this September. Oruna school work. I know Odio here can but Chomazi. Abba. I know Bahanawa. Every Wednesdays we go to school again. But we're not so bad. Oh, door here can now here. Even how to sign train station here. Yeah, was. You know now. Does not mean na train stations. Hey, Ngazika. Jeje mo here de na moto ejo.
I got it.
Yes, I got it. I got it. You're on the right track. Hey, honestly, I plan to do driving license this summer, but I don't see the possibility. But I'm gonna go wherever cost nago. It will be too much on me, and it will make the summer holiday hard for us because we equally have to plan where we will go. Oh. Ihe na-akọ abịcha na anyị na-akọ na kwe hụ ka chi si wee ka dị otu aka ọ ga-adị ọkwa o nwere oge oge erichi ga-adịchara otu a na-akọcha ebe 11:30 12 otu ịkwara ya dịkịta otu aka ọ ga-adịkwa ọ na-ewetakwa aka na winter ọ na-akụ 2:30 3 chi emekpu gba aka ji ahịa etinye ịrụ ọrụ and for the fact na ị ga-agbọ they got outside. Oh God, I need to change career. Arunkuzi Anoamba. It's not the cool before. It's beginning. I couldn't have it too much. Come on, see how we talk here with that. Look at this. Oh, dear back home wasn't like Ibiao. It brought her be about no Hana worry. Hey, as it won't my enemy now. So, all I won't know which was under no one not. I wouldn't imagine with the power, eh? They come for ya. For ya for now. They come for ya for now. Naya gakwanijo. Imagine I won't eat short answer. Oyi carry megewa. I when a cadera ganoto. Nature's no street light de benin. Light never in the donna roar. Cake a street light in any more him. How about you? Take a street light in on him or him. Ndagurugu. Kuyana bo diaba. Nibo. Nah. I didn't know by a machan ebe. Ebe maram mamadu gagari. The char around us. Oh my God. Yani na gizu mbatu nozo chakakaka. Mana ure na abia kita merenji we kubia. Hey, finally, I can you can also ibo. Kana ya na ruina. Does it mean ni how car way, motorway? Really? How am I tell your son no bamboo too? For bicycle, for wagon. Oh. Wow. Ọ na-awụ a na-ekwu okwu be anyị dị mma bịa fụzie ndị be anyị gala iwedịrị gị iwe sef why n'obodo oyibo they are like face ebe ebe ị nọ ọ bụrụ na mmadụ bi obodo oyibo hụ ka ndị ọcha si mezicha be ha and you wish the same thing for ebe isi and you do not wish the same thing for ebe isi oh ha amuso ji do oh ha amuso ji but ị na-agwa ndị be anyị ka like ihe ọbụla ị na-eme to promote na ka be anyị dị mma. They are like, come home and come and talk about it. Come home, yeah. Like imagine, you know na banye di ko to anu na ihe na akọ 9 o'clock. Net trek for hours. Na ga n'okporo ụzọ, a very lonely place. Wo here. Amaka na tai ebe atai. Ọ dizie ka ọwụ ihe anụ. Mana ebe a wu nnukwu ọhịa ka ọwụ. Ya wo ọhịa. Malina was the best. Go home and talk about it. Go home and talk about it. So, if you don't want the same thing for your people, I'm Musoji. So, how to and down obodo oyibo ga-abịa nata and na-emere ha big boy. Achọghị m nnata n'ụlọ na-eme big woman. And life are they casual, they normal, just like automatic CB ever. Eleho. I want you. Hey. Na after 9. So, awo maka na ebe niile security even though na agbakwara egbe ebe ebe achọbụkwa ebe anyị ga-awa isikwa ya gbatịa ngị na-ekwu okwu exercise ọgwụ mana anyị eme ezigbo exercise kịta lose go 5 kilo Mamborosa walking in exercise ahụ na ịgba ọsọ ahụ dị safety na mborosa 10 minutes ma 20 minutes ihe nji nwa ya ga like I told you I enjoy this evening with you. Instead I just not running mono through phone nappy in Nama. So those days in a hard or those 2 days in a hard or we can do this to strengthen our love. That is how couples bind. Compound, getting Ghana, so you. Oh, dear, and make couple. If I am sick. What kind of like a kind Judaica? I assume now the old people now, Nejidaka. Or chef one and Woberoge. In next 1 or 2 decades now, our old person. I chava can go see Jidiaka. Manama and go see that time ka wa Isikwa m jidezie gị mgbe ahụ. Ụmụ nwaanyị na-ebuzi aka nka with afọ ọnụ white ga. Ka anyị na-ele n'anya nụ na-emu ka nka dị ka nwa 20 something ebe m na-achụzikwe 40. Afọ ọnụ white ya jụziri gị isi na afọ ọnụ ka m mara nụ ka m ga-esi buru gị ụzọ kawa. Hey mmadụ kebe eziokwu wuru ụkwụ na-afụzi m rịrịrịrịrị. Awa, who sent me? Who sent me walk? Who sent me walk? On that tunnel. Gịnị wụ bridge n'Igbo? Take an hour. A na-akpọkwa ya akwa. Akwa. Take na bridge akwa. Ka m kọtụzie anyị agbalịa n'aka na afụzi m ofu. Anyị anarịtewe na is good. Onye ahụ na-adịghọ na ihe oyi gwa m how she will be fine. Ngozika mere onwe gị ebere.